everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really very interesting and very useful to you. I hope you are doing great, and by the grace of the God and by the grace of you, I am also doing great. So you are learning in a great way English language, and I'm also practicing with me by practicing myself, expressing my thoughts, expressing my experience of learning English language. So this video is really going to helpful to you, because in this video I'm just going to share to you that most of the people, they are having the problems, like even though they spent a lots of time in speaking English language, in practicing English language, or even though they spent about 1 to 2 years in speaking English language, even though they don't get any improvement in English language. For speaking English language, for learning English language, or for communication, they don't get any kind of benefits. So in this video I'm just going to share to you like what is the reason behind it, why the people they don't get they don't get the fluency or confidence of speaking English language. Still they are speaking English language, and most of the people, they just recommend to us that if you will speak English language, you can achieve a good improvement in 1 month. I'm not telling like that you could not achieve a good improvement in 1 month, but you could see a little difference. When you start today, like if you start today to speak English language, and after a month you will see a a little difference in speaking English language. I'm not saying that you will achieve that much of the improvement, that much of the fluency, or that much of the confidence of speaking English language, but a little difference that you could see in speaking English language in communication way. You could see that I am just not able to speak like earlier when I was speaking before 1 month. You will not see like that, and most of the people, they just say that if you will speak English language, if you will practice a lot English language, then definitely you could achieve English language. You could speak very well English language in only 1 month, and you could get the fluency and confidence. It is not like that. English is just a language, and if you will practice English language, and if you will take English as a language, then definitely it will take some times to replenish it, because it's a language. It's not a subject that we have to just remember all those things, then we could able to do anything. It is not like that. If there is the rule to remember of English language, then definitely there is no need to do a lots of hard work for learning English language, for speaking English language, or for practicing English language. So English takes just take English as a language, and if you will take English as a language, then definitely it will take the time to replenish or to do better in your speaking English language. I can recommend to you that for learning English language, if you are also knowing your native language, if you are also have the command on your mother tongue language, then definitely it has take a lots of time to know in a better way. If you are knowing your native language or mother tongue language, then definitely it has take times, because from your childhood you have started to practice this language, and now you are able to speak well. Now you are the fluency of that language very well. So how much time it has took, you just have to think about that. About 15 to 16 years it has been took to do better in that language. Definitely like that also English is a language, and if you will think that if I will get the result only in 1 day, then definitely it is not like that, because I was also the beginner one, and when I started to speak English language, definitely it had taken lots of time to replenish. Do you know that when I was in class 8, at that time only I have started to learn this language. I started my journey of the English language at that time only, and now I have pass out the class 10. So it has taken about 2 years. Still I am not able to speak well English language. So for you also it will take time to learn English language. It's not a piece of paper that you will just gonna to get a good result in yourself in some days. It's not like that. It takes times, and you don't have to fear, you don't have to hesitate. Whatever the things you are doing, you have to just express all those things in front of the peoples, and you have to do a lots of hard work for that. And I can say for that things you should be consistent, and if you will consistent in speaking English language, then definitely you could be speak well English language. Because in every video I just suggest to you that be consistent, because it's really very helpful and very grateful if you are just practicing English language. Because as when I had started to learn this language, I was not consistent at the time, and as a result I had not well in speaking English language. I was not well in speaking English language. I had not get that much of the improvement in learning English language. So for you also, I'm just suggesting to you that be consistent for learning English language. If you will consistent, then definitely you could achieve a good improvement in yourself. So the most important thing is that to maintain the consistency. Okay, so like if you also practice about 1 to 2 months, and even though if you don't get the result of speaking English language, that's the reason behind it, that you are not consistent about learning English language. And if you are also not consistent, then you are just practicing in a limited way. You don't have to be a limited research. If you just want to explore all those things in learning English language, then definitely you have to explore all those things, not in a limited research that in like I usually used to speak only on one topic. It is not like that. If you are also knowing your mother tongue language, then definitely it's a like you know, in every fields, you know, anything whatever you just want to speak in your native tongue. So definitely like that also, English is a language and you should have to explore all those things. If you will limit it if I can introduce myself, if I can give my introduction, then I am knowing English language. It is not like that. You have to do a lots of hard work. You have to do a lots of practice in learning English language. Then you could achieve a good improvement in yourself. So don't fear, don't hesitate, just start to practice. And if you want to just follow some tips, then definitely you can watch my videos, that what are the tips through which we could speak English language. So definitely, and in this video I am saying to you that don't fear, don't hesitate, because most of the people, they just lose their hope because of not like learning English language, because of not they are getting the result of learning English language. That's why they just lose their hope. So don't lose your hope, don't hesitate, don't fear. Whatever the things you are knowing, you have to express all those things. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.